Today's programme is all about the number 6.67 times 10 to the minus 11, or 0.00000000667. It's a tiny number, but without it, life, the universe and everything simply wouldn't exist. That's because this number dictates the strength of gravity. Or perhaps it's more appropriate to say this number dictates the weakness of gravity. And this weakness is quantified by the so-called gravitational constant, a number known simply as big G.
If the gravitational constant were maybe 2% stronger, it would increase the force of gravity. That means that the material at the centre of the sun would be compressed. When things are compressed, they get hotter. You heat up the sun so much that it burns all of its fuel in well less than 1 billion years. And we certainly know that to get multicellular organisms took 3 billion years. So there will be no life.
So if G had been bigger, if gravity had been stronger, then stars would have burned too quickly to have given life a chance to evolve. And the situation would have been equally gloomy had G been smaller, had gravity been weaker.
If the gravitational force, if G were smaller by a few percent, then the opposite would happen. The centre of the sun would not be hot enough to burn hydrogen. So there would be no stars, there would be no suns. So we actually see there's this very, very small window of opportunity for G.
But luckily for us, the number G, which determines the strength of gravity, is not too big or too small, it's just right for life. G is arguably the most important number in the universe.